I talk it, I live it, they feel it. And I got a pretty bitch with a fat ass, put one leg in the air when I hit it. The police behind me, you know that I'm smashing, I ain't pulling over, you tripping. But I ain't trying to talk about police.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. If you're new to this channel, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I will be showing you what I do as my nightly routine to keep up with my dreads that look somewhat healthy. It's really time for another retwist, but yeah, if you check my last video that I posted recently, I hit my 1 year mark, and which I'm so proud of myself for doing that. I had enough patience and had enough time and was able to wait for my 1 year mark. I did lose track at one point of what month my dreads were at, but I had looked up, you know, some recent pictures that I had in the past and realized that my 1 year mark was closer than what I thought it was. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure y'all go to my YouTube channel and go look at that video, my 1 year mark. So proud of myself for doing that. So yeah, as you can tell by the title, I will be showing you my nightly routine and what I do as far as me keeping my dreads intact or keeping my dreads moisturized and healthy. So now I've told you what I'm about to do. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so now we in my bathroom, getting ready to show you the 3 steps or 3 things that I use as far as me getting my nightly routine done of how I take care of my dreads. Anybody who does like self retwist or is looking for like a certain type of gel or whatnot to use, I use the Jamaican Mango line gel. Let me focus that. I use the Jamaican Mango line locking wax cream. I like using it because it doesn't use any it doesn't have no buildup, or it lasts as long. The hold on your dreads lasts as long. So if you're looking for a new wax or a new lock gel, I think that's the best one to me, and it doesn't have a weird smell or anything to it. So yeah, if you're looking for a new lock gel or lock wax, it's right here. Cause this right here, I'm telling you, man, that right there, man, the best one I've had so far. The best one, that's the best lock gel I've had so far. What I use for my hair, if I haven't oiled my scalp or whatnot throughout the week or whatnot, this is what I use right here. I use Dew Grow. I feel like, me personally, Dew Grow is the best hair oil, at least for my scalp wise. It's the best hair oil to me. And if I haven't oiled my scalp in throughout the week or 2.5 weeks or a week and a half, that's what I use to oil my scalp, just, you know, so my scalp won't be so dry and itchy. Now, which I haven't used, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I haven't oiled my hair throughout the week, so I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp. I usually get the main points of my hair. I get the back of my hair, I get the middle of my hair. Not so much on my dreads, but I get, you know, enough oil on my scalp where it doesn't itch or bother me. Now after that, I use a spray bottle to moisturize my hair, as far as keeping it not so dried up or nothing like that, like the bottom of my dreads, or, you know what I'm saying, the root of my dreads. I try to keep it not so dried up. So I use that also when I, as far as my nightly routine when it comes to taking care of my dreads. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I don't spray it so much, but I spray enough to get it nice and moisturized, so we can keep everything nice and tapped. And as far as that, the last thing I use is a do-rag or a bonnet. I don't have my bonnet with me right now, but I do have a do-rag, so I use my do-rag. So, and if you don't have a do-rag, you know, a bonnet, a bonnet or a do-rag or a scarf, you can use any one of those things, you know what I'm saying, to wrap your hair up in that. But this is what I use. This is what I prefer. But no, I mean, shout out to my man Cloud. He gave me this do-rag a while back. So I appreciate it. That's pretty much it as far as this video goes. said before, I usually use just a regular water bottle, you know what I'm saying? Do-rag, make sure everything's intact. If you haven't oiled your scalp in a week or so, best oil right here. Let me focus in on that. Best oil, do-grow, in my opinion. And if you're looking for a new locking gel or locking wax, this one right here, best one so far I've ever used. So make sure y'all go get that in stores. It's pretty much anywhere if you go look for it. But yeah, like I said before, if you're new to this channel, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And once again, I'd like to appreciate all the love and support I've been getting from others to continue on to doing this LOCS journey YouTube channel. So I really highly appreciate that. Like I said before, I made a recent video of my 1 year mark, so if you haven't seen that, make sure to go check it out. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. It's free of charge. Don't have to do anything for it. Just hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell, and stay tuned for any next videos I got coming on the way. So as that being said, I'd like to thank y'all supporters and thank y'all for everybody who supported me doing this YouTube stuff and continuing me to make videos of my LOCS journey. So I appreciate that. And one more thing, make sure y'all stay blessed. I'm out.